All right, Kendall, you're up. You have a complicated story to tell. Will, you're a street performer. You're entertaining crowds. Kendall, you scoop the money right out from underneath his nose. Off you go, and you're almost taunting him like as you exit. Okay, now you're looking. Okay, now wait. So let's just make this when you look at the money. That's when you're gonna drop some money in.
This is a performance-based dance. It's not necessarily geared towards winning a dance competition. Abby can come up with all the cockamamie ideas she wants. Kendall's the mean girl, she's the thief, she's this, she's that. Kendall will make it work.
This show is fun.
That's what I said. I like it, entertaining.
Right, but fun and entertaining doesn't win dance competitions. It's Abby's attention to what she wants. She already knows what the winning number is, who she wants to win before they even walk through those doors. You did her a big favor by traveling with her, Ashley. And when it comes down to good music and choreography, you'll be okay because of that. I don't care that Kendall's competing against Bryn and another boy. I do care that Abby will take more time and more energy because she would want Bryn to win. That's how Abby has made us feel over this past season, that Bryn is her new favorite. However, I can't let Kendall know that that's a problem. Kendall needs to stay focused and do her best.